Hello everyone, welcome back to the video. I hope you all are doing very well. So we in the previous video lecture we have discussed about the basics of the TCP and the UDP, but in this video lecture we are going to learn some deep concepts of their UDP and TCP. So UDP stands for User Datagram Protocol. It provides a connectionless unreliable transport services. Connectionless means that a communication session between the host is not established before the exchanging data. UDP is often used for communications that use broadcast or multicast internet protocol packets. The UDP connectionless packet delivery service is unreliable because it does not guarantee the data packets delivery or send a notifications if the packet is not delivered. Because the delivery of UDP packet is not guaranteed, applications that use this protocol must supply their own mechanisms for reliability if necessary. Although UDP appears to have some limitations, it is useful in the certain solutions. Each UDP datagram has a length. The length of datagram is passed to the receiving applications along with the data. Now, transmission control protocol TCP. Connection oriented. The application requests connections to destination and uses the connection to the transfer data. Point to point, a TCP connection has two endpoints. No broadcast multicast. Reliability. TCP guarantees that the data will be delivered without loss, duplications, or the transmissions errors. Full duplex endpoints can exchange data in the both directions simultaneously. Delivering TCP. TCP segments travel in the IP datagrams. Internet routers only look at IP header to forward datagrams. Each segment contains a sequence number. Flow control. The flow control is necessary when the computer in the network transmits data too fast for the another computer to receive it. The flow control requires some form of feedback from the receiving peer. This is executed effectively due to the receiver's buffer, that is Windows. TCP contains the algorithms to estimate the round trip time RTT between the client and the server dynamically so that it knows how long to wait for an acknowledgement. For example, the RTT on a LAN can be milliseconds while across a WAN it can be seconds. Furthermore, TCP continuously estimates the RTT of a given connection because the RTT is affected by the variations in the network traffic. The TCP connection establishment. There are three-way handshake. The following scenario occurs when a TCP connection is established. First is R. The server must be prepared to accept the incoming connections. जो हमारा सर्वर है वो बिल्कुल प्रिपेयर होना चाहिए इनकमिंग कनेक्शंस को एक्सेप्ट करने के लिए. This is normally done by calling the socket bind, and the listen is called a passive open. The client issues an active open by calling connect. This causes the client TCP to send a synchronized SYN segments which tells the servers the client's initial sequence. The number for the data that the client will send on the connections. Normally there is no data sent with the SYN. It just contains the IP header, a TCP header, and the possible TCP options. The server must acknowledge ACK, the client's synchronizations, and the server must also send its own synchronization containing the initial sequence number for the data that the server will send on the connections. The server sends its SYN and acknowledge of the client SYN in the single segment. The client must acknowledge the server SYN, the client and the server, the socket connect blocks, and then the socket blind listen and accepts the blocks. After then connect returns and then accept returns read blocks. TCP connection termination. One application calls close first and we say that that this ends performs the active close. This end TCP and the fin which means the finished sending data. The other end receives the fin performs the passive, the received fin acknowledged by the TCP. The receipt of the fin is also passed to the application as an end of file. So since the receipt of the fin means the application will not receive any additional data on the connection. So that's all for the today. Thank you so much. I hope you like the video.